Hagabayadai bagi Jingdawa ke Seng Kongres bat ke VPP bentungnya ke Kynnoh Toket halor ke Kynnoh persya bau sembut menteri rang ba ke jelau ba Sniawbhalang dhar hakapor budanglong menteri ke sorkar hak jela hakapor besencar ke Kongres bau labai tengkai ke Kynnoh ke atiar HNLC. Uba Prestone tensong ula kentat ke Jingdawa berulaong bukersya ne ke Pensai uba Sniawbhalang dhar halor ke Kynnoh ke HNLC. Uba Prestone tensong ulaong bawa Sniawbhalang dhar ula Pensai bo dan ke Jingiadei berkata berkumta ukersya ne ke Pensai jong ba Sniawbhalang dhar hendrai ladan Kynnoh gibam sengohon kilong lat luat banwat jengtip syok kat ke baki kwa. Halor ke Jingdawa ben Pak Toket uba Prestone tensong ulaong bagi dan digi hajar teli ke Kynnoh kumta dan ka mentau gi Kynnoh Toket digi hajar teli ban penlong ya ke Jingtohkit.
See, I stand by the statement made by him only. I think he has already given the statement that I have no such link or no such payment made. So what else we can do? I think that statement, I stood by his statement, and then if suppose now some people or some section people are not happy with that, let them, they are free to find out some more information, whatever they want. But as far as government is concerned, yes, that statement he has given is accepted.
So like the government will not call for any
Sorry?
So the government will not call for any inquiry into this?
What inquiry?
Inquiry into the allegations.
No. See, if we have to bring in inquiry to the allegations, we have thousands of allegations. Are you trying to say that we need to have inquiry to all thousands allegations? So you need to understand that ground reality also.